Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English learning session. Today, we are going to learn 20 essential phrasal verbs through a natural, fun, and real-life conversation. This will help you speak English more fluently and confidently in daily life. So let's start our story. Emma and Jake at the cafe. Emma meets Jake at a cafe after a long time. Emma, hey Jake, long time no see. What have you been up to lately? Jake, oh hey Emma, I've just been trying to figure out my new job. It's a bit stressful, but I'm getting used to it. Emma, that's great. Don't worry, things will work out. Jake, I hope so. I actually wanted to bring up something with you. Emma, sure, go ahead. Jake, I might take up photography. I've always loved it. Emma, wow, that's amazing. You should definitely go for it. Jake, I understand. Sometimes you need to break down and restart. Emma, exactly. And now I'm trying to build up my portfolio. Jake, that sounds. Emma, by the way, did you hear? Our old friend Mike ran into some trouble. Jake, oh no. What happened? Emma, he accidentally got into debt after starting a business. Jake, that's tough. I hope he can get out of it soon. Emma, yes, we should reach out to him. Jake, good idea. Friends should always look out for each other. Emma, I also saw Lisa yesterday. Jake, oh really? I thought she moved out of the city. Emma, she did, but she just came back for a visit. Jake, nice. Did you catch up with her? Emma, yes, we talked for hours. Jake, that sounds lovely. Jake, I've been thinking of starting my own business. Emma, that's big. But make sure you don't give in too easily when problems come. Jake, true. I also don't want to fall behind in planning. Emma, just stick to your goals and keep pushing forward. Jake, I will. I don't want to back out now. Emma, that's the spirit. Jake, sometimes life really gets you down, doesn't it? Emma, yes, but we have to bounce back quickly. Jake, exactly. We should never give up on our dreams. Emma, and always try to carry on no matter what happens. Jake, I agree. Emma, you know, Jake, this conversation was actually very helpful. Jake, yes. One didn't realize we used so many phrasal verbs naturally. Emma, that's the best way to learn English through real conversations. Jake, absolutely. I'm going to write down all these phrasal verbs. Emma, and I'll go over them again later tonight. Jake, perfect. Now let's quickly review all 20 phrasal verbs we used today. Be up to, figure out, work out, bring up, take up, go for, give up, put up with, break down, build up, run into, get out of, reach out, look out for, move out, come back, catch up with, go over, given, fall behind, stick to, back out bonus included in flow. And that's the end of today's lesson. If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to practice these phrasal verbs in your own speaking. The more you use them, the more natural your English will become.